Two people can start with the same salary, yet end up living completely different financial lives.
They work at the same company, earn the same income, and dream about the same future.
At first, there is almost no difference between them.
Then years quietly pass, and small decisions begin shaping completely different futures.
One person reaches a point where money works quietly in the background. The other earns more than ever, yet still feels trapped every month.
The difference isn't income, it's the habits repeated every single week. Wealth begins when your future gets paid before your lifestyle does.
Not every reward has to cost money.
Financial freedom isn't built in one big moment. It's built through hundreds of quiet decisions.
Habit 3. Spend 10 minutes every week where your money actually went.
What gets measured improves. Awareness changes behavior before discipline ever has to. Automation removes temptation by making the right decision happen first.
Looking wealthy and becoming wealthy are rarely the same thing.
Small daily choices often outperform big financial breakthroughs.
Saving money doesn't mean enjoying life less. It means enjoying your future more.
Every dollar saved today becomes protection against tomorrow's surprises.
An emergency fund doesn't make emergencies disappear. It removes the fear that comes with them.
Real wealth grows quietly. While most people are distracted by what's happening today, the secret isn't earning more. It's repeating the right habits long enough for time to reward you. Habit 6. Never shop without a plan. A list protects your wallet better than willpower. Tiny savings repeated every week quietly become thousands over the years.
Habit 7. When your income grows, let your investments grow first, not your lifestyle. Every dollar has a job. Choose whether it buys excitement today or freedom tomorrow.
Look at the long-term trends. Habit 8. Feed both your body and your mind every single day. Diversify your portfolio. Small amounts of learning, repeated consistently, create better financial decisions for life. Habit 9. Be patient. Wealth grows slowly before it grows dramatically.
Confidence isn't buying something new. Confidence is knowing you don't need to. Habit 10. Celebrate progress, not purchases.
The people who become wealthy aren't usually the smartest. They're the ones who refuse to quit. Habit 11. Every dollar needs a destination before it leaves your account.
A discount doesn't save you money if you never needed the item.
Habit 12. Keep your emergency funds separate from your everyday spending. Preparation doesn't prevent problems. It prevents panic.
Habit 13. Ask for better prices. Many companies reward customers who simply speak up. Simply speak up.
Money you don't waste becomes money starts working for you.
Habit 14. Respect small expenses. Tiny leaks can sink a big financial ship.
The goal isn't spending less forever, it's creating more room for your future.
True wealth is the ability to ignore pressure and stay focused on your own path. Financial freedom isn't about owning more things. It's about owning more of your time.
Habit 15. Think in decades, not days. Wealth rewards patience far more than speed.
The market changes every day. Successful investors don't.
Every fortune begins as something too small for most people to notice.
Some of life's best memories cost far less than people imagine.
Habit 16. Consistency always beats occasional perfection. Your daily choices quietly decide the life you'll be living years from now.
Money can't prevent every problem, but it can prevent panic.
The richest moments in life rarely come from expensive purchases. Real wealth isn't measured by what you buy, it's measured by the freedom you create.
Habit 18. Invest consistently, even when progress feels invisible.
Small monthly investments can become life-changing when time is allowed to do its job.
Habit 19. Stop comparing your life to someone else's highlight reel. This comparison creates spending. Contentment creates wealth.
Financial freedom begins when peace becomes more valuable than showing off.
Every completed goal is proof that consistency beats motivation.
Habit 20. Let your money buy assets before it buys status.
Freedom isn't built in a single year. It's built through thousands of disciplined decisions. The greatest reward isn't becoming rich. It's gaining control over your time and your choices. You don't need perfect timing or extraordinary luck. Start with one habit today, repeat it tomorrow, and let time build the future you've always imagined.